started 2 hours late for start. And it's not as big as it either. So I was here at about 19.
Alright, let's do it again. There's an